Today, I feel like was just a very special day for all of us at Jazz that, come from different countries or even different backgrounds, living in Canada for how many years, who've been in this industry for either a long time or a short time and been working very professionally for however long they have. And today was just one of those days to showcase it in the best way possible.
Puis pour moi, c'est une grande date parce qu'on sait que Jazz justement est axé par la diversité, l'inclusion. Puis aujourd'hui, ça a été une date importante pour moi, pour lui. Puis on a partagé ce cockpit ensemble. Aujourd'hui, je suis fier de le dire parce que on a pu opérer ensemble, en crew. Puis on est deux personnes qui viennent d'une communauté. Puis aujourd'hui, ça a été tous ensemble, l'inclusion. Et aujourd'hui, Jazz, c'est une grande famille, puis ça le prouve aujourd'hui.
I feel honored.
Absolutely honored.
Honored, and I think it hit me once we got on the aircraft and we were boarding all together and we did the briefing. And then I kind of looked around and, didn't see it, like, not that we have like familiar faces, but it was just nice to, felt like, home, felt like a family.
We were represented and it was great. I don't believe that in terms of the flight and how we operated and our expectations, we are professionals. We do this every single day. So this was great. However, to be able to do it with a crew who are from Afro descendants for Jazz. Again, the inclusivity is so important and definitely appreciated. Thank you. Merci.
Thank you. Merci.